Are you looking as DIY culture, custom clothing, and small business printing boom? The demand for heat press machines has skyrocketed. Whether you're a hobbyist, entrepreneur, or just want to personalize a t-shirt, a good heat press machine makes all the difference. In this review, we evaluate the best heat press machines based on key features like adjustable pressure, heat up speed, build quality, versatility. List number: HTV Ront Auto Heat Press 2 Heat Press Machine for T-shirts. The HTV Ront Auto Heat Press 2 stands out with its fully automatic operation and smart pressure adjustments, making it incredibly beginner-friendly and efficient. Designed with an improved heating height and faster warm-up, this unit is ideal for pressing thicker materials without sacrificing uniform heat distribution. It features a large pressing surface, perfect for standard-size garments, and comes with built-in safety features such as auto-off and anti-scald housing. What really makes it shine is the intelligent pressure sensor that adapts to your material's thickness, eliminating guesswork and producing flawless transfers. It's quiet, sleek, and dependable. A solid choice for home business owners and craft lovers who value both safety and automation. List number: Aoshito Upgraded Auto Heat Press Machine for T-shirts. The Aoshito Upgraded Auto Heat Press brings professional-level performance into a compact, user-friendly design. It heats up quickly within 4 to 6 minutes and offers adjustable pressure alongside a taller heating height, making it ideal for hoodies, thick tote bags, and layered materials. This machine features a digital control panel for precision temperature and time settings. The auto press and release feature reduces fatigue and ensures consistent results, especially useful for high-volume orders. Built with a solid frame and smooth sliding drawer design, it offers great value for its price point. It's perfect for small business owners or serious hobbyists looking to upgrade from manual presses. List number: Cricut Easy Press 3 12x10 with Teflon sheets. The Cricut Easy Press 3 12x10 is a top choice for crafters who want simplicity without sacrificing performance. It combines the ease of an iron with the speed and quality of a heat press. The 12x10 plate is suitable for a wide range of projects, from shirts to pillows. Thanks to Bluetooth connectivity, you can control settings via the Cricut Heat app, which guides you through ideal time and temp settings for different materials. It heats evenly, and the included Teflon sheets help protect your work from scorching. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for personal projects and travel setups. This is the go-to press for Cricut users and vinyl crafters. List number: 5-in-1 Heat Press Machine 12x15-inch swing-away press for sublimation. If versatility is your goal, the 5-in-1 swing-away heat press offers maximum flexibility. This multifunctional press includes attachments for mugs, hats, plates, and more, making it perfect for a home business or craft studio. The swing-away design ensures even pressure and safety by keeping the hot plate away during setup. Its 12x15-inch platen is ideal for standard garments, and the digital controls offer precise time and temperature settings. This press supports sublimation and heat transfer vinyl, handling a variety of surfaces. Though it's a bit heavier and takes up more space, the multifunctionality more than makes up for it. List number 5: Cricut Easy Press 3 Zen Blue 9x9 HTV Press Machine. Compact, stylish, and smart, the Cricut Easy Press 3 Zen Blue is the perfect choice for quick HTV projects. It features Bluetooth connectivity and integrates with the Cricut Heat app for guided temperature and timer settings. The 9x9 surface is best for smaller designs like tote bags, baby clothes, and patches. It heats up fast and delivers even pressure across the surface, making it ideal for precision work. The Zen Blue color and ergonomic handle add an aesthetic and comfort appeal. Though it lacks auto press functionality, it excels in ease of use and consistent results for casual creators and beginner crafters.